Hi, I'm Gwen, and every week I'll be giving you an Ymadrodd Yr Wythnos, a phrase of the week. This week's Ymadrodd Yr Wythnos is, Sut mae'r tywydd heddiw? This means, what is the weather like today? You can answer this question by saying, mae hun, and then add in a weather type.
Bwrw glaw. Heilog. Oer. Boeth.
If you wanted to extend it, you could use ond, which means but, and then say, dydi hi ddim yn, and add a weather type. This means, but it isn't. An example sentence could be, mae hi'n heilog ac oer. An extended sentence example could be, mae hi'n heilog ac oer, ond dydi hi ddim yn bwrw glaw. Our Criw Cymraeg will be listening out for people saying these phrases during break times around the school. Good luck. Pob luck.